Hey my babies, welcome back to another Curlbox unboxing video. It's 2020 baby, so let's see what items we received this month in our January Curlbox. Okay, so this month box is called the Crystal Bliss Box. Realign your chakras, sage your space, and make way for a new kind of mindfulness with our Crystal Bliss Box. To start our new year off right, Baby Curlbox is showing out. We have 9 hair goodies courtesy of CANTU. Now let's get started. Oh my god, first impression, this box is stuffed with awesome goodies. First up, we have the CANTU Avocado Styling Gel. This is a defining gel that slicks up perfect ponytails, defines kinkier textures, and slays your edges, baby. Now who doesn't love a good gel? CANTU even provided us with a Detangle and Define brush. This is a non-slip grip brush made of minimal bristles to help make detangling thick hair a breeze. I'm so glad I have a backup now of this pick because I love it so much. I received it last year in one of my curl boxes, but this is the CANTU Double Lift Pick. CANTU has also provided us with hook elastic bands. These are used to adjust and accommodate the thickness of your hair with extendable hooks. I also received these cute braid lock charms. You can wear these in your hair to style them up. You can wear them with braids, twists, locks, and your curls. Next, we have this cute classic fashion hair wrap that slides on easily to your hair, protects your edges and hairline while adding some style and fashion to your look. To refresh your curls, you can always use this CANTU Avocado Shampoo. It's a sulfate-free cleanser that whips brittle curls into shape with avocado oil and shea butter. When you want to do a quick wash and go, you can use the CANTU Avocado Curl Activator Cream. This creates frizz-free defined curls infused with vitamin A, E, and strengthening amino acids. Now, who doesn't love a good conditioner? So let's drench our curls with this CANTU Avocado Conditioner. It's a detangling softener that nourishes lifeless curls, and it also has avocado oil and shea butter. Thanks so much for watching, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know I'll be back next month once I receive another curl box. But until then, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, my loves, stay tuned.